guys want to have this mod, all the trees are nice except for the nether. Look at this. And the ocean and all of them except for the nether is super. Look, super clear and blue. And all the materials here, even the sword, the axe, this and this, but except for my armor. The armor is not real, but the chicken too, and even the ender pearls, even magma block, and even golden apple, and an apple, and a dead bush, and all the blocks here. Bro, this, if you want to have this mod, and also the moon and the sky, if you want to have this mod, please download Shader mod. It can download you everything. This is pretty normal. Don't tell me that it will not work. Okay. All of this, like, it's all real. I'm gonna download
These puzzles can only be solved by either a genius or a psychopath. They express your intelligence type. So, can you...
I hate these ads. Share mode. Install it in Minecraft. Okay, now we quit. Oh yeah. Okay. Leads can be used on boats. How? I did sprint in water to swim. I know that. You have endless lives, but your items drop to the ground when you die. Hurry back and to pick them up. Now, that is correct. I am survival. Wolves and iron golems will attack creepers. How? Why? Oh, what the? It's the same. But the grass. Oh yeah, it's not. The grass is not the same. And the trees are moving. And this is not moving. And the sun is rising. Oh, the moon is rising. How about the lava? Did it change? Nah, it didn't change. But the moon is changed. Where's the sun? Whoa! Wait, I'm gonna kill them. This really works, bro. It's so nice because I love this, bro. How did this work? I love this. I pretty love this. I'm so pretty, bro. This is so nice. Bro, this shader mod is pretty. I'm gonna rate them 5. But okay. Yeah, bro, it's so nice, bro. Whoa, bro, it's so nice. Whoa, I love this. I'm gonna rate it 100 out of 10, bro. What the? Oh my god, what is happening? The zombies is gone. Let's go. This works too. It's this now. How about we get this? Let's go. Please work. This is correct. This is real. It's not clickbait.